My video guide will help you to remove the new ransomware type infection that is called Bozon. Bozon is a piece of malicious software that is correctly classified as ransomware. Our research team discovered this ransomware while inspecting new submissions to the VirusTotal database. So the video will demonstrate to you how exactly this ransomware affects the files. You can clearly see that before the ransomware attacks, of course, you are able to open any files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data pretty easily. Unfortunately, because of certain available vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this Bozon ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Then pretty soon people realize that something bad has happened with their data and that they cannot use their files anymore. The files get damaged and encrypted by this specific Bozon ransomware. So when you try to open the specific file, you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Bozon extension. Some files may still be available, so if that is true, it's a good solution that you go to the task manager, look for suspicious processes that could be running in the background and terminate them or end their task to stop the further file encryption. This could help you save at least some of your files from being damaged. The ransomware also places this ransomware note mentioning that your files are encrypted and that you need to contact the developers for decryption guidelines using this email address. And of course, they will tell you to pay the ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom does not guarantee that your files will be restored, so we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software, and we suggest you to do that with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com, so use this special green download button, install the program, and start researching the system with its help. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. While the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the great feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So at the end of the scanning, of course, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scan. Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of detecting and deleting the majority of threats, including adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, malware, and of course ransomware type infections like Bozon. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning is completed to see the detailed report about the condition of your computer. The report will contain the information about the name of the threat, its location on the system, and we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to remove all these threats altogether and automatically. This is the best way to keep your data always protected in the future.